Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're starting off with no makeup because we have a little challenge. I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. I really don't know how this is going to go because I spent a good 20 minutes on my base alone. And that's pretty much what I'm focusing on. Foundation, concealer, powder, like making sure my complexion looks how I want it. Brows, maybe a little bit of mascara, and then if I have time, go in with the eyes. But first, we need some coffee. Because I feel like without coffee, I won't be able to make it through this video. I have 5 minutes on the clock. The timer starts now. Doing a pump of my IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream. I know I'm not priming because I feel like when you're in a super big rush, priming is just an extra step that you don't want to do. And maybe a pump was a little too much. Good. I would say that's blended. Alright, 4 minutes. Tarte Shape Tape. Three minutes. Okay, powder. We're halfway there. Bronzer. Highlight. Brows. We have like less than a minute and a half. Less than a minute. The brows. No. at least put some mascara onto these lashes. And bronzer in the crease. I think that was the fastest that I've ever done my makeup ever. And the only thing that I'm like, I could spend like the extra minute on are my brows, because like, what is this? Other than that, I really am not mad at how this turned out. If you guys want me to do the 10-minute makeup challenge, let me know in the comments down below, because I could definitely do that. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassieBeauty YT, same as spelled here, both Twitter and Instagram. Also, go follow my beauty Instagram, SassieBeauty, as well as go shop SassieBeauty. I'll have everything in the description box below. And other than that, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.